A day after unprecedented chaos in the Rajya Sabha, where the farmer bills were passed by a voice vote, 8 Rajya Sabha MPs have been suspended by the chairperson Venkaiah Naidu. And the call by the opposition for a no-confidence motion against the deputy chair, who was presiding at the time, has been rejected. Opposition leaders who've now appealed to the president have said that the government rammed legislation down their throats. The Prime Minister says it was his goal to give farmers the freedom that they deserved.
Sri Derek Oberyn, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Sato, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Syed Nazir Hussain, Ripun Bora, Ms. Dera Sen, Elmaram Karim are suspended for the period of 1 week for the remaining part of the current session.
The Rajya Sabha chairperson suspending 8 MPs on a motion by the government, but he rejected the opposition's no-confidence motion against the deputy chairman Harivansh. They were suspended for violating the rules of the House by snatching away the rule book and breaking the deputy chairperson's mic.
This is very unfortunate, it's unacceptable and also condemnable. If marshals were not called on time, what would have happened to the deputy chairman? I am worried. He says he was abused with objectionable words. The deputy chairman was physically threatened. This is the parliamentary system. Please go out.
What followed was an unprecedented drama. The 8 MPs refused to leave, leading to House being repeatedly adjourned without any business being transacted.
22nd September 2020.
They shot and released these videos when they realized that they were not being shown by the official media and called for blankets and pillows, intending to spend the night. However, they shifted outside, where the Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut and National Conference's Farooq Abdullah also joined in support.
We have the footage of what happened in Rajya Sabha. Members asked for a vote. We were denied it. It is unprecedented. It is a historic day from the worst sense of the word. We were denied it.
Can the members of parliament not ask for division of vote when the fate of 62 crore Indians is being decided in an undemocratic fashion? Is it correct to call marshals as bullies and forcibly hold up parliament to ransom?
Opposition parties have now sent a petition to the President over the manner in which business was conducted and the unparliamentary conduct of the Deputy Chairperson Harivansh. However, amidst farmers' protests, the Prime Minister for the 4th straight day spoke out defending the agri-bills which effectively allow farmers to sell directly to the sellers.
हमारे देश में अब तक उपज और बिक्री की जो व्यवस्था चली आ रही थी, जो कानून थे, उसने किसानों के हाथ पांव बांधे हुए थे। आखिर ये कब तक चलता रहता? नए कृषि सुधारों ने देश के हर किसान को ये आजादी दी है कि वो किसी को भी कहीं पर भी अपनी फसल, अपने फल सब्जियां अपनी शर्तों पर बेच सकता है।
The protests continue here in Parliament, even though Parliament has passed these 2 farm bills. Clearly, the focus in the next few days is to continue to keep the pressure. Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.